Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. If you have any empty Ferrero Rocher boxes, don't throw them out. There are so many fun crafts you can do with those boxes. Today, we're going to take one I have from the holidays and transform it into a beautiful Glam rose box. The first task, though, with these boxes is to figure out how to remove those labels off. It can be pretty tough to figure out the right solution, and I have tried many, but the method I'm about to show you is the easiest and fastest, and all you need is a strip of clear packing tape. The key thing to note is that the main Ferrero logo label should actually be removed from inside the lid and not the outer side of the lid. So first step is to turn over the lid and place the lid flat down on your table surface so the inside lid faces upwards. Then take a strip of packing tape and place it on top of the label. Then apply some heat to it with your fingers by rubbing or scratching your fingers across the tape for about 20 seconds, give or take. Then from the edge of the tape, slowly peel it away. Repeat these steps until the entire label is removed. And now we have a Ferrero Rocher box that is completely clear and clean. We are now ready to dress it up and bling it out. For this box, I have chosen this beautiful silver rhinestone and crystal ribbon I found on Amazon. The back is protected by a clear film that when removed reveals our self-adhesive backing, so no glue is required. If you would like to purchase this ribbon, I'll leave a link down below in the description box to my Amazon store. We're going to apply this ribbon along the circumference of the lid all around the sides. At the corners, you may be left with a gap because it is difficult to cleanly cut the crystal piece in the middle. I'll show you shortly how I fill the gap with an alternative rhinestone ribbon like this one. In the meantime, I would like to take a moment to thank you for tuning in to today's craft project. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will never miss out on any of my glam home decor DIYs. And if you like what you see today, please give me a thumbs up as well. Your support will really help me continue providing you with more amazing and creative craft tutorials. And now we will work on filling in the corner gaps with this silver rhinestone ribbon, also available from my Amazon store. This rhinestone ribbon is also self-adhesive and very flexible and slightly stretchy, so you can cut it to size. Once the lid is done, we're going to do the exact same thing with the bottom cover as well. Next, we are going to build some legs for the box. You can choose to adhere some crystal knobs to the bottom and they will look absolutely gorgeous. The knobs are available from my Amazon store as well and come to just under $1 a piece. But to keep this craft project on a really tight budget, we're going to make our own crystal knobs to use as feet for the box. To do that, we're going to take 4 of these small diamond-shaped acrylic gem pieces that I found at the Dollar Tree, and we're going to add a silver base cap to each one of them using these silver caps I removed from my Christmas ornament balls. We will need to cut off the extra little pieces from the ends of each silver cap so the cap can lie flat on the table surface. For this, take your best pair of scissors to snip them off. Then apply a little bit of hot glue to the opening of each cap, just along the inner edge. Then insert the pointy end of the acrylic gem into the cap. And there you go, a homemade but beautiful mini crystal knob. Once you have 4 of them made, we're ready to install them to the box. Take the bottom cover of your box and turn it over. Then, using some hot glue, adhere each to the corners of the bottom of the box. And here's what our box looks like so far. The legs are beautiful and the perfect size for this size of box, but I feel like it needs something more. So we're going to add a string of silver beaded necklace to the bottom cover, right below where the silver rhinestone ribbon is applied. I just think that this extra little embellishment will make the box look just a little less plain, even though it is already beautiful as it is. Our next step is to fill the box with our roses. For this, you can definitely use a dollar store variety if you're able to find enough of them, but I have chosen these beautiful lifelike artificial roses I bought from Amazon. These are foam roses and very easy to work with. The petals look very real and each come with a long green stem that is flexible so you can bend them into shape. Or you can also cut them to size. If you like the look of these roses and would like to purchase your own, I'll leave a link to my Amazon store down below in the description box. For this box, since the roses will need to lie fairly flat inside the box, we're going to be snipping the stems off each rose before placing them into the box. For this size of box, we'll be placing a total of 16 roses inside. Now, you can opt to use all the same colors inside your rose box, but for mine, I actually only have 12 of the cream colored roses, so we're going to use those as a border. Inside the middle, we will be placing 4 violet colored roses. Once we have all the rose heads, we're going to want to secure them into position inside the box with a bit of hot glue. Now we're ready to put the lid over the box. If you find your lid needs a little securing, simply add a small bit of hot glue to adhere the lid to the box. And here's the final look for our rose box. How beautiful is that? If you made it this far in today's video tutorial, how about popping the word forever in the comment section so I know you visited today? This rose box will literally last forever and will continue to look beautiful year after year after year. And it only cost us a few dollars to make. You could even personalize your rose box by using a Cricut machine to print off the first letter of your name and placing it onto the center of the top cover. If you enjoyed today's craft project and you enjoy Glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my upcoming Glam home decor DIYs. And if you liked what you saw today, please give a thumbs up and check out my other Ferrero Rocher box crafts.